From humble beginning to becoming a titan of industry, Ratan Tata's journey is one of vision, perseverance, and unparalleled impact. In 1991, Ratan Tata started Tata Group, steering it through challenges and transforming it into a global powerhouse with its reach to over 100 countries.
He significantly contributed to India's GDP, acquired international companies like Jaguar, Land Rover, and Chorus Steel, launched Tata Nano, the world's most affordable car, and spearheaded technology through Tata Consultancy Services, one of the largest IT services firm.
Ratan Tata believed in giving back, with the Tata Trust funding education, healthcare, and rural development, touching millions of lives. But as we reflect on his incredible journey, we face the reality of a world without him. Ratan Tata's passing leaves a void in not only our hearts but also in every corner of Indian industry.
Tata Group is one of India's largest employers, creating millions of jobs across diverse sectors, and investors are holding their breath. His absence may lead to volatility in stocks, especially for companies closely associated with Tata, such as Tata Consultancy Services and Tata Motors in the short term.
Let us honor his memory by embracing the principle of innovation, compassion, and resilience he campaigned. Rest in peace, Ratan Tata sir. Your impact will echo through generations.